Welcome to the channel that encourages you to be doing stuff today. As always, please like this video and subscribe to this channel, and hit that notification button so you can get more content like this. In this video, we'll be touring the balcony stateroom on Utopia of the Seas. But first, a quick note. Typically it says 3 p.m. is check-in time, or when your stateroom's going to be available. But we actually got in at 1 p.m. They actually said the rooms will probably, or they're aiming to get the rooms ready at 1 p.m. And they actually were ready at 1 p.m. So they did a great job with the turnaround. Alright, so when you get to your room, the keys are going to be in here in a little envelope. The luggage, ours was down the hall there. So then you use the physical key to open up. And this is the room. What do you think of it?
It's perfect. I'm glad we ended up with the bed by the window.
Yeah, so that's really cool. Some staterooms have the bed over on this side of the closet, and some have it right next to the balcony, so we got lucky, had it next to the balcony.
Wake up to the ocean.
There's a little desk in here, quite a few outlets. Big bed. This room's kind of small, but that's alright. We're on a cruise. Oh, it's a slide door. So obviously we have not set sail yet. This is the balcony view. Not really too much to the room. There's a little side table there with the phone. Another table here. It looks like the lamps have USB-Cs and regular outlets. There's a safe in here with a little bit of hanging space. A couple drawers down here. Got more drawers here. Couch. Reading light up there. Thermostat for the AC, obviously. Got a little space bubble shower. Oh, they include hair and body wash all in one. Look at that. Alright, let's talk about the bathroom real quick. Obviously, it's a cruise ship, so it's small, but it has enough room, get around pretty easily. It's good counter space for a cruise ship. Let's talk about the shower though. So the shower. Alright, so to turn it on, this is the on-off knob, so you have to turn it like this. The right side controls the temperature, so cold is towards the back, hot is towards the front. However, it has the water pressure, absolutely terrible water pressure. It is one step up from someone having a bucket up there and just sprinkling it down on you. It's terrible, but it's a cruise ship, so I guess you gotta expect that. The shower itself is pretty big. There's enough room in there as well. My only thing is the water pressure. Good thing I have no hair, so I don't really care about the water pressure too much, but it is pretty terrible. And I still haven't figured out what this thing is. It says shavers only, and then it has 3 different outlets in it. So, I'm not sure what that's about, but if you know, comment below, let me know. So, not much to it, but again, it's a balcony view stateroom. So one thing I just noticed is that the closets are soft close. Let's see if the drawers are soft close. Yep, that's kind of cool. Let's have some fun, baby!
I'm ready, let's go.
Just came back from the sail away party, which is pretty crazy, very loud, definitely not kid friendly. But Melissa got her champagne shot. If you want to see the champagne shot and all the sail away party fun, click this link. We are officially out at sea. My favorite part of cruising. And that is a tour of our balcony stateroom on Utopia of the Seas. As always, please like this video, subscribe to this channel, and hit that notification button for more content like this. Until next time, thank you for watching.